Hey guys, welcome to NewzoTech. In today's video, I am gonna show you my website which I made through WordPress. So let's begin. So here on the screen you can see my home page, and now I am going to scroll down. Here you can see my recent post. Till now I have only written 2 posts. Here, so here you can see my first post. It is about how you can find best free games for PC that you can play with joystick. And now I am going to show you my second post. As you can see here, I have wrote how you can find top 3 best free video editing software for PC with no watermark. And here when you will go more down, so you will find this post, and here you can see a animation in background. And here if you press on this learn more button, so you will get directed to a Wikipedia page. As you can see, now you can see here a label copyright @NewzoTech. Now I am going to show you the section of videos. Here you can see few of my YouTube videos. I have not added all of my videos. And here when you will go to contact, so you will come on this page. As you can see here, you can write your name, email, message and send the message to me. And when you will go to the about section, you will find who is NewzoTech. Here I have written few of the things. This is my Instagram account. You can see it later. Here I have put my logo. And when you will go to subscribe us, then you will come to my YouTube channel page. So this is my website, and if you wanna learn how did I make this website, so a tutorial is going to come very soon. So stay tuned by subscribing to my YouTube channel.